Hola and welcome to this short video about pain while meditating. We're going to talk a little about back pain, why it's there and what we can do about it. We're going to talk about leg pain, why it's there, what we're going to do about it. And we're going to talk a little about tenseness, overall tenseness in the body, especially in the neck part and shoulders part up here while we are meditating. So let's just get started. Your back pain while meditating is probably because of one or two things. One is that you're not sitting properly. If your back is curved like this, well, of course you're gonna get so much back pain. So we have to remind ourselves to really straighten up our back. But what we often find is that when we straighten our back, the back all by itself just goes right back into that curved position, and we just have to remind ourselves to stretch it out again, really. There's nothing more to it. For me, I have found that by using a pillow to sit with, it actually makes it easier to keep that back straight while meditating. And the reason number two for why your back might be hurting while meditating is because you're not used to sitting like this. And that's simple. Like, sitting itself is a practice and we have to get used to it. So we have to do it a lot in order for the back not to hurt. So what you can do is you can straighten up your back when you feel that it's curved and just keep on practicing sitting. Maybe practicing sitting not only while meditating but sitting in everyday life on the floor and see how it is. See how it is for the back. Just get used to it. You really just have to get through. You just have to keep on doing it. You just have to get through it. Fight through it. Be sure to breathe through it. Don't abort the pain and don't crave not feeling pain, right? So just be observant in it. Just say, oh, my back is hurting a lot right now. Let's see how long it's going to hurt. Just do it like that. Now the leg pain. There's also two reasons for the leg pain to be there, and one again is that we are just not used to sitting. So we need to sit in order to get used to it, and there's no way around it. You just have to push through it, again without aborting the pain and without craving not feeling pain. And the second reason for why you might have pain in your legs is because of the blood circulation, that your legs simply just not used to it, thus the blood cannot flow. This is also when our legs get super sleepy and dizzy, that feeling. So it's actually just because that the blood cannot flow through. And for this, what I have done is I do these two stretches. I do this one stretch, which is called the butterfly. There's a normal one where you just sit like this and really let the knees rest down. And then you can whip the legs like this, or you can do it from side to side like this. Both of these are very, very good. And then there's this other stretch that I always do. This one, very simple, very classic, nothing special. And just by practicing this, the blood circulation in the legs will drastically improve. This is the only thing that I've done, and also just by meditating, you're getting more used to it. For the blood circulation, a pillow really helps. I personally use a pillow. It's nice and makes it more comfortable. If you are in that much pain or your legs are sleeping that you have to move while meditating, then do it with like a strong breath, because we don't want to disturb the meditation. So what we're going to do is we're going to be very much conscious with our breath and do it with more force, with more power, right? So we're moving, but we're still keeping ourselves connected to the breath, so we're not disturbing our meditation that much, as little as possible. No? If this video is helpful to you, then por favor give this video your like. I would really appreciate it a lot. And also in the description there's a link to a video, like the ultimate guide of how to meditate. Even if you're not a beginner, even if you're intermediate meditator, like this video is for you. I really want this video to be everything that you need to know, like all of the questions that I had when I started meditating and throughout my years of meditating. I wanted everything to really be answered in one video. So it's a huge video, it's a big video, but it's a very good video. So if you want, please come and check out that video. Also, if you're interested in meditating with me, then with my fiance, we have made a channel that's called Meditate With Us. Link in the description. It's also in Spanish if you speak Spanish. And yeah, come and meditate with us. Very good videos, like we're your companions in meditation, and yeah, good sounds, beautiful pictures. So come and meditate with us. Also subscribe to the channel. And now let's continue the video. And the last one is tenseness. I do not know if you have this, but I do have this a lot. It's like oh, when I'm meditating, I get so tense in my shoulders and my neck. It's incredible. And the reason for this is because that our bodies are calm. Remember, we are moving all of the time. We're doing something all of the time, stressed all of the time. When our bodies are calm and we are calming our mind, then all of the things that lives down in our subconscious can rise up to our awareness. Thus, all of this tenseness is actually something that is all of the time there, but now it has, like, you could say, it has space or silence to come up and express itself. So there's nothing to do about this than to just sit through it, like it's a good thing that it's coming. It's the tenseness that's expressing itself, and it has always been there in your subconsciousness. So it's nice that it's coming. It's a good thing. Just breathe through it. Again, do not abort. Do not say, I do not want this, and do not crave a certain feeling. I just want to meditate to feel peace. Do not go that. We are just meditating. We're just observing. Nothing more, none más. We're just observing. What I do about the tenseness that I feel is I have some exercises that I do. I do these neck exercises to really move it around and to make it nice, and also with the shoulders. So this is basically what I do. Thank you for watching the video. I really hope that this video helped you. If you have any more questions, please write them down in the comments. I am not an expert, but I will definitely do everything I can in order to answer your questions. There's also a lot more videos in the channel, Be Happy, so come and check it out. Maybe they can help. And well, I wish you a beautiful meditation journey. Come and meditate with us if you're interested. Have a beautiful day. Bless you. Be happy. I love you. Ciao.